Hello everyone, today I will teach you how to add music with multiple photos on Instagram. So, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to open Instagram. Once you're on the app, you need to create a new post by pressing the plus button on the bottom of your screen right here. To press multiple photos, you need to press the icon beside the camera icon, which looks like two squares. Now, just select the photos, and after that, just press next. Here, we can change the filter of the photos, and here is also where we can add music to our posts. Just press this music icon on the top, and in here, you can select the songs that you want to add to your post. You can change the music's duration and select what part in the song it can start playing. Once you're satisfied, just press next, and your post is ready to be posted with music and multiple photos. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.